Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start a very exciting journey with CAF-3 data systems and risk. I want you to pause for a second and ask yourself what makes a modern accountant or auditor different from one in the past. It's not just debit credits or ticking boxes in an audit file anymore. The difference is technology. The accountant of tomorrow must understand how businesses collect data, how systems process it, and how risk can destroy value if not managed. That's why this subject is here, not as an add-on, but as a core building block for your future as a chartered accountant. CAF-3 is designed to bridge the gap between accounting knowledge and technological awareness. It will prepare you to handle data not just as numbers but as business intelligence. Evaluate IT systems that companies rely on for financial reporting. Understand risks like cyber attacks, data breaches, or system failures. And most importantly, connect these risks back to your professional responsibilities as an auditor or financial expert. So, when you see this syllabus, don't think of it as an extra burden. Think of it as your an opportunity in a world where accountants who ignore technology will simply be left behind. Let me give you a roadmap. The syllabus is structured in three broad clusters. Number one is data and analytics. This includes types of data, data governance, analytics, big data, and databases. Here you will learn how raw data turns into meaningful insights. And number two is systems and technology. This covers ERP systems, IT architecture, cloud, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and other emerging technologies. This part shows you how modern businesses actually run behind the scenes. And the number three, risk and governance. This will cover cybersecurity, IT controls, information and communication technology in risk management, COVID, ISO, and State Bank of Pakistan guidelines and cyber laws. This is where we link technology back to risk management and compliance. By the time you finish, you won't just know the buzzwords, but you will be able to explain how they affect auditing, financial reporting, and strategic decisions. Will this subject even help in real life, or is it just to pass exams? Here's the answer, it's both. Passing the exam is step one, but this subject has a much bigger role. Look around, even every industry in Pakistan are moving toward digitalization. So SCCP is requiring stronger IT governance. If you don't understand systems and risk, you will always be at a disadvantage. CAF-3 gives you the vocabulary, the frameworks, and the confidence to sit at the table where technology is being discussed. So here's how I want you to think of CAF-3. It's not a subject, it's a lens that helps you see accounting and auditing in a digital world. Remember, technology will keep changing, but your foundation in data, systems, and risk will always stay relevant. That's the power of this subject. So, if you are preparing for the March 2026 attempt, this is your chance to stay ahead. In my upcoming video series, I'll guide you through every chapter with real world examples, exam tips, and practical insights. And also remember, the future chartered accountant is not just a number cruncher, but a data driven, tech savvy professional. See you in the class.